So I bring in all the wishes and greetings from all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Avinash for scoring rank number 2 in DM Neurology in ini-cet session April 2023. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for all the like speed was very useful in all of my preparations, sir. So thank you wholeheartedly to all the faculties.
Great, Doctor. Great for wonderful words. Can we know your detailed background history from where you started your career till date?
Yes, sir. I'm Dr. Avinash Ganpule. I'm from. I did my undergraduation from JNMC, Belgavi, Karnataka, and I did my MD medicine from AIMS Patna. And right now, I finished in January, end of January this year, and right now I got second rank.
So, I think almost very close to your completion. Now you're getting a seat in NESS. And now, what is your preparation strategy? What all you did to achieve this rank?
Yes, sir. During my MD days, I wasn't sure like that. I definitely wanted to do neurology. I was a bit confused between cardio and neuro. So during my MD days, I just largely concentrated on the medicine part, and did mainly from only Harrison and some of the other super specialty books, just a few topics, and I saw for topics which were a bit difficult to understand or were a bit vast. For those topics, I referred to certain lectures from Speed to help my understanding a bit. But like that time till the end, I wasn't solely focused on the NESS or any like exam till then. And by almost towards the end of my preparation, I decided about that I wanted to do neurology. And that time I started seeing more and more of the videos, Joban Peet sir's videos. I finished almost all of them, and the images and tables class, those classes also Bradley, because I couldn't go through except a few chapters, so I had to go through those classes also. So those were all very useful, sir. I did that and some of the Q banks and tests also in the last 2 months. So like in the last 2 months, I just consolidated everything that I had read, and that was helpful, sir.
Great. How many questions did you attend this exam?
So I attempted all the questions, sir.
80 out of 80.
Yes, sir. So because even I thought even if I could eliminate one option, like it is, net was good. So in the practice test also, I saw that if you could attempt more, it is better. So I thought I'd attempted all.
What is the special interest towards neurology?
So it is very clinical, and it helps you almost in a very the approach is very fantastic, sir. Like the way we are going from the basics to the diagnosis, so that was very interesting. And also in all of the lectures also, they were very stimulating and interesting. So there my interest increased to apply all of those lectures to the cases also is very important, which you see in the wards. So that was helpful, sir. So all of those things were mainly, and also there's some scope for research as well. So all of these things combined helped me decide on neurology, sir.
Great. Wonderful. Now, what is the message that you want to give to the students aspiring for a DM and after that for neurology in particular?
So few of the things that I found useful during my like before all of, especially I think they should attend more and more tests at least last 3-4 months before the exam, because in those tests I found out a few things about myself that I tried to improve. Like my time management is very important. It is, you can't give like 50 questions just 30 minutes and then have a problem in the last few questions. So that is important. Apart from that, the fact that you have to try to solve the questions, like only 30 to 40 questions are direct, like immediately based on what you know. The rest of the 40 questions had you had to eliminate options based on like few things that you know, and even then among the two you have to choose the best possible answer. So you have to try to like solve the paper, not just answer whatever you know. So that was useful. Like if you solve more and more questions, you'll get to know these sort of lacunae and those topics which have been asked in the previous papers. And if any small topic is also missed out, you need to go in depth in those topics which were asked in the previous 4 or 5 exams. So these few things I concentrated on, but basics in your MD you have to do very well and like concentrate, enjoy medicine basically. So that was fun, like 3 years.
Great. Wonderful. Now, time to thank. Whom all you want to thank, you can do so.
Yes, sir. So I'd like to thank my parents. Both of them are doctors, and they were the inspiration to join the field. So I'd like to thank them and all my colleagues and professors during my UG and especially PG days. They were all very encouraging and helpful. And I would like to thank you, sir, and especially all the faculties, especially Jobanpreet sir, all of his videos, even the video of for preparing for stage 2 also was very useful in between stage 1 and stage 2. That was also like some questions were similar, so that was also very useful, sir. So I'd like to thank everyone from Speed Up. Thank you so much, sir.
Very good. Excellent, Doctor. And we wish you once again all the best and all the success
Thank
in
you
your
so much, sir.
career in neurology, and a great neurologist in making, and years to come. We look upon to you. Keep always inspiring us, and you'll definitely will save millions of life, and your service will be in great to all of them.
Thank
And
you so much.
best wishes to you, Doctor.
Thank you so much, sir.